Before we can do anything useful with a document in an automated pipeline, we often need to know what kind of document it actually is. In this video, you will learn how to classify documents by category using AI in Python with the Extract Classification API from the Cloudmersive Document AI library. We'll begin by navigating to the Document AI Swagger page from the Cloudmersive website. Here, we'll find documentation and code examples for all the Document AI API's methods. The extract classification method is found under the extract path. When we open this drop-down window, we'll find a description of what this API does, which amounts to using AI to identify what category a document belongs to. Things like invoices, receipts, tax forms, or even specific form types like Form 1040 and Form 1040EZ. This API works with a variety of common document formats, including PDF, DocX, XLSX, PPTX, EML, MSG, JPEG, PNG, and WebP. The key parameter here is the categories field, which is where we tell the API what categories to classify against as a comma-separated string. We also have an optional recognition mode parameter to trade off speed versus accuracy as needed. We'll now demonstrate a quick implementation in Google Colab using the Python code examples provided in this window. First, we'll click on the Install SDK dropdown, copy the pip command we find here, and then run that command in our environment. While the SDK installs, we'll head back to the Swagger page, copy the remaining code examples, which include the imports we need right at the top, and paste those in our environment too. We don't need the print function import or the time import, so we'll get rid of those right now. We'll start with our configuration snippet. I have my Cloudmersive API key saved in Colab, so I'll import that now and paste in the code examples which set my API key at runtime. After that, I'll add one quick line to manually set the configuration host to api.cloudmersive.com, the default host for free tier subscriptions like mine. Now we'll configure our request parameters. We'll leave recognition mode as an empty string to use the advanced default, then set our categories string to the list of categories we want this API to classify against. For this example, I'll be using an invoice document which I've used in other videos. Now we need to understand the response model so we can work with the output, which we'll find back on the Swagger page. This one is straightforward. The response gives us a single document category result string containing the category the API matched the document to. When we're done, we'll run our code and jump ahead to our API response. We now have a clean category classification for our document returned in a single string. For any pipeline that needs to route documents differently based on type, sending invoices to one workflow, contracts to another, and forms to a third, this condenses what would otherwise require complex heuristics or manual review into a single API call. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions about implementing Document AI APIs after following along with this video, please do not hesitate to contact a member of our team.